Hello, Ben. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hello, Anna. I am happy to be here again.
This is episode 3 of our English conversation.
Yes, and today we have a simple topic.
Our topic today is simple questions.
Simple questions are very useful for beginners.
Yes, you can use them every day.
Anna, how are you today?
I am fine. Thank you, Ben.
That is good to hear.
How about you?
I am doing well today.
Are you ready to practice simple questions?
Yes, I am ready.
Let us start with easy questions.
Okay, please go ahead.
What is your name?
My name is Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Where are you from?
I am from Singapore.
That is great.
Where are you from, Anna?
I am from New York.
New York is a big city.
Yes, it is very busy.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Thank you for sharing.
How old are you, Ben?
I am 27 years old.
Do you work or study?
I work as an office staff.
That sounds nice.
Do you work or study, Anna?
I study English every day.
That is a good habit.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
That is early.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee.
I like tea.
Do you drink coffee every day?
No, I drink tea every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
That sounds delicious.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music very much.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
I like pop music too.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
What is your favorite movie genre?
I like action movies.
I like romantic movies.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like reading books.
Reading is a good hobby.
What is your hobby, Ben?
My hobby is jogging.
Do you jog in the morning?
Yes, I jog in the morning.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English for my job.
That is a good reason.
Why do you learn English, Anna?
I learn English to speak with people.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice every day.
That is very good.
Do you speak English at work?
Sometimes I speak English at work.
Who do you speak English with?
I speak English with my coworkers.
Do you feel nervous speaking English?
Yes, sometimes I feel nervous.
That is normal for beginners.
Do you feel nervous too?
Yes, but I try to stay confident.
Confidence is important.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax at home.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV at night.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch news and movies.
Do you sleep early?
No, I sleep at 11.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
That is good for health.
Do you like this podcast?
Yes, I like this podcast.
Is it helpful for you?
Yes, it is very helpful.
We use simple English here.
That helps beginners a lot.
Do you have any questions, Ben?
No, I understand everything.
That is great.
Do you enjoy teaching English?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
You explain things clearly.
Thank you, Ben.
You are welcome.
We are almost at the end.
Yes, time goes fast.
Thank you for listening to us.
We hope you enjoy this episode.
Please practice simple questions every day.
Practice makes you better.
Do not be afraid to speak English.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Keep learning and practicing.
This is the end of episode 3.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Have a nice